Okay, the intrepid explorers go down to investigate the alien life form. They've cut it in? Okay. Who does this kind of stuff? Yeah. Okay, the intrepid explorers go down to investigate the alien life form. Okay. Who does this kind of stuff? Yeah.
It's interesting how it comes right. It's right at.
Yeah.
Pointed right at the human crack.
Yeah. That is just wild. Huh.
We got to see if there's any writing on it. What the heck is that?
So I'm going to show you guys basically what this is. It looks like it's stainless steel, and it's roughly 10 feet above the ground here. They got a concrete saw and they cut it into the red rock there. They did a pretty good job. It's a pretty flush cut. And then they took these stainless steel panels and they basically just rivet them together with these inner, probably gussets or something. The middle of it appears to be hollow. You can see it's got these rivets right here. And then looks like it's probably, I don't know, 1/8 inch sheet. And you can see down here on the bottom where they had a couple overcuts with the saws. They did a good job though. They siliconed it all in there. It'd be cooler if it was just one solid chunk.
Finish up their job and just put a nice grind on all these corners. Yeah.
Yeah.